Hey brawlers, want an exclusive profile icon into Brawl Stars? I'm gonna break it down for you. Let's go. First, you need the official voucher link. These drop during events, Brawl Talks, or on social media like X or Brawl Stars sites. For example, Superstar might share one for a new season. Next, launch Brawl Stars on your device. Keep it running in the background. Don't quit. This makes the process smooth. Now, grab your phone, open your browser, and paste the voucher link. Hit claim reward. It'll redirect you back into the game with a pop-up that says tap claim again. Head to your in-game inbox under the Personals tab, look for the latest message, hit claim, and boom, your exclusive icon is yours. Quick tips. Use a stable internet connection and try Chrome or Firefox if it glitches. If the link expires, sorry, you'll need to wait for the next one. To flex it, go to your profile, tap change icon, find your new icon under unlock profile icons, and select it. Done. That's it guys, super easy, right? These icons are limited time, so act fast when you spot a link. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more Brawl Stars tips, and let me know your favorite icon below. See you in the arena.